Welcome to the world of cactus flower looms. Today I'd like to introduce you to the cactus flower loom and explain what equipment and supplies you need to weave with them. Weaving in small sizes enables you to learn the same techniques found in full-size weavings, but with a minimum amount of equipment and supplies and a minimum amount of expense. So the first thing you need is the loom. Cactus flower looms come in 3 sizes. The mini has a weaving width of 8 by approximately 12 inches and warps up at 10 ends per inch. Nice to carry with you in a tote bag, goes wherever you go. The maxi has a weaving space of 12 by 18 and warps up at 9 ends per inch. Both are considered lap looms. You need to put them on your lap and lean them against something. The table loom is more like weaving full size. So it warps up at 8 ends per inch and has a weaving space of 18 by 24. You also need a shed stick and heddle stick, and these should come with your loom. You need battens to open the shed, and it's nice to have battens in varying sizes, so as your weaving space gets smaller, you can switch to a smaller size batten. You need something to beat your weaving down with. So traditional wooden forks are excellent. I like to use a 1 inch with the mini, an 1.5 inches with the maxi, and a 2 inch for the table loom. You can also find metal tined forks. These slip easily through your warp and are nice to work with. So for your warp thread, you need to select a fine wool warp and test it always to make sure it's strong. Hold about 1 foot in your hands and yank on it. If it breaks, discard that and move on to something else. If you can't find wool warp, you can use cotton crochet thread, size 10, easily found in most yarn shops or hobby shops, so it works perfectly well on cactus flower looms too. For the weft, you want to always use a single ply wool. And for your first few projects, I recommend using a worsted weight or a medium weight. And then as you get more experience, you can switch to a smaller size yarn. So I like to use the sport weight. It just gives you a finer design line. It's also called fine yarn in some of the shops. And if you want more information, you can always check out the book, Weaving the Navajo Way, How to Create Rugs, Miniatures, and More. Takes you step by step through the weaving process. So our next video will be on how to warp up a cactus flower loom, so join us for that one. Thanks for watching.